What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike. I'm a full-time media seller. Go around to thrift stores, scan all your books, CDs, DVDs, send them into Amazon. That's what I do for a living, right? Today's going to be a little bit different of a video. We're going to kind of do a day in the life, right? So I'm at the thrift store. You're probably wondering, why are you standing all the way back here? Well, we got a lot of stuff we got to do, right? Yesterday we had the library pickup, so we have our floor, which is literally a complete mess. This is all Second and Charles stuff. So this is items that Sell Back Your Book didn't want. So we'll take these to Second and Charles, get some trade-in credit. We have all the boxes from yesterday. Believe it or not, somehow we got it all done yesterday in one go of things. This is Max Common Ground Finds, a coach on the channel. If you're interested in joining, we got coaching calls every single week. Max does one a month as well. We send this off to him on consignment for eBay. This is all the FBA items we got for from the library pickup. This is more eBay items as well. So we got a lot to do here today. So I felt like it'd be a good day to make the video of, you know, kind of a little bit behind the scenes, right? You guys always see me just thrifting. We are going to hit some thrift stores as well, but we got a lot to do. We also got to get our Sell Back Your Book shipment dropped off at FedEx as well. Got to get the unit cleaned up. I got boxes everywhere. I got stuff all over the place. So that'll be the video today. So first stop is cleaning up this mess. Let's go. I can't punch that far. My arms are not long enough. Let's go. We are outside of Mountjoy Gift and Thrift. You can see it back over there. I didn't take you guys inside. We did spend $27. So this is what, stop 2 of the day. Storage unit. Mountjoy is the second stop of the day. Get my receipt out. Not too shabby, right? Basically filled up a little bag full. I'm going to show you guys 2 of the better items that we got here. You get my screen recording. This sun glare is like killing me. I can't see nothing on my phone. Let me get out of eBay. Yes, I was looking stuff up on eBay. They had one of those little Sony like voice recorders, but it was one of the cheaper models. So first thing we got here, Family Life Simply Romantic Nights. Discover intimacy in a new light. This is brand new sealed. It's like cards, right? So I always tell everybody, scan everything that's new in these stores, because most of the time you can sell a lot of this stuff on Amazon. So let's scan this here. My barcode scanner going. All right, you are looking at $15 profit on this. Sales score of 19. We paid $3 for it, so I mean, not too shabby there. Got a bunch of other stuff. I'm going to show you one more though. Show I've never seen, but I've heard of it a lot in my lifetime, right? Swiss Family Robinson complete series. We paid $6 for this. This is going to make you $35. You make 21 bucks. So after your $6, you make $15 profit. Not terrible, right? It's not the fastest moving item, but hey, this is the stuff that adds up, build your inventory, and this stuff continually sells after time once you start building your inventory up. So that's stop 2. I will see you guys at stop 3. I'm not sure what stop 3 is going to be today. We'll see where the road takes me. Let's go. All right, we are at stop number 3 in the Chinese language. 3 E is 1, is 2, San is 3. So we are at stop San outside of here. If you didn't know, I took 4 years of Mandarin Chinese when I was in high school. Honestly, I didn't learn that much. I mean, what do you expect? Inner city Philly kids trying to learn Chinese, and I got sloppy handwriting. It was a mess. But 2nd and Charles here. So got 2 bags of books. Now, one thing with this is I highly recommend, if you have a place like this, a store that buys it back, always scan it for like buyback companies first, because I do this for the store credit, right? Store credit, I buy myself stupid t-shirts. I do Christmas shopping with the store credit. Always scan this stuff through buyback companies first. Get your cash so you can put it back into business. If you're lucky enough and you have a place like 2nd and Charles, or even a local bookstore, that should be the last stop for you besides the donation bins, right? I always want you to be thinking in the terms of cash, not credit. But this is why I come here. I get cool stuff for myself, and I got 2 bags full. This is the type of stuff they usually take this junk too, you know, the crappy Grisham, the Catherine Coultier, more Grisham, Tom Brokaw book. We've all seen thousands of these. But yeah, so let me get inside here, carry these 50-pound bags all the way up front. But yeah, this will probably be, it's the 3rd stop, but it'll probably also be the last stop. So last time I did one of these, I forgot to show you guys how much I got in credit, but I'm not gonna forget this time. So I'm shutting up, carrying this stuff in, and then we're headed to the next stop. Let's go. All right, stop 4, the recycling center, right? So not a lot of people think about this, right? Oh, I wanna buy Gaylords of books. I'm gonna do bulk pickups. Well, you're gonna have 50,000 boxes. What are you gonna do with them, right? Personally, my township does not let you recycle more than 1 can. So thankfully, most townships have like a self-serve recycling center. So here we are, right? I got to get rid of the boxes. You can't keep this nasty, dusty, buggy, roach-infested boxes around your storage unit, right? Or even worse, your house. So always got to keep the crap. I mean, this stuff is literally, you know, it's recyclable. Get it out. Don't waste no time. So it's nice to have one of these around. Listen, make sure you follow the rules too. It says cardboard must be flat. Don't be throwing in just full boxes, right? Like, stop being lazy. Do what they want you to do. If only we got paid for the cardboard we recycled, right? I think about this all the time because, you know, we got cats. We make a lot. We really don't eat out much, so we have a lot of like cans that we recycle. They should start paying me, right? I fill up one of those big bins with recycling every week. I think to myself, like, how much are you guys making on the aluminum, right? How much are you making on the cardboard pallets? Like, I should be getting refunded, and we have to pay for trash and recycling. So growing up in Philly, the trash and recycling was free. Well, you move out of the city, and all of a sudden it's like, you gotta pay X amount of dollars. Like, even if you don't put nothing out, you still gotta pay for trash. It's crazy, man. I should just hire a VA, hire a virtual assistant to do my trash. All right, I got a lot more. I'm not gonna torture you with anymore. We do live right by the airport here. So you see like planes take off from here all the time. Get a lot of like military flyovers and everything. So that's gonna do it for stop 4. I'll see you guys at stop 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, let's go. Stop 5, post office. Midday little lunch break, went home, helped Deb get her orders out the door. We got an IKEA bag full of cat and dog toys. So if you have a cat or dog, shameless plug, I will make her pay me for this. Check out our website, DeborahAnnMarieStudio.com. The link's always down in the comments, the pinned comment I put on every video. So yeah, drop off her packages, get them out here, and I will see you guys at stop number 6. Let's go. All right, stop 6. I can't, my other hand's occupied here. FedEx, dropping off, sell back your book box. Super easy to do. The good thing about these is you don't have to weigh them. So you guys all know I live on the 3rd floor, so I can just throw this in the car, print the shipping label, pack and slip, bring it down to the car, seal it up, drop it off, and then you just wait to get paid through PayPal. So stop 6 in the books. I'll see you guys at stop 7. Let's go. Stop 7 complete. Community aid, half off day. This parking lot, like when I pulled in, there wasn't even a single spot. I'll show you what we got real quick. Books, softbacks were 50 cents, hardbacks were $1. CDs were around 60 cents a piece. DVDs are usually $2.99 and half off, so about $1.50 a piece. I'm gonna pop anything specific up on the screen, but show you guys real quick. So stop 7 is done. Moving on to stop 8, and believe it or not, stop 8's not even the last one. This is, I mean, this is a day in the life, I guess. You know, it's not all Lamborghinis and sitting poolside and making a bunch of money. So see you guys at stop 8. Let's go. All right, stop 8. We stopped back at 2nd and Charles to get our credit. They actually took everything for a change. So they've been pretty picky lately, but they took all that junk. We got $30.10 credit. You're not going to be able to see this. The receipt's all faded. Our total balance currently is $142.18. So, like I said, this stuff adds up over time. That's less money I got to spend at Christmas time for all you good little boys and girls out there, even though I know all of you watching this will be on the naughty list this year. So, we got one more stop for the day. But yeah, 30 bucks, I mean, what else are you gonna do with it, right? You're just gonna redonate it. Might as well get a little bit of credit. The cash offer is always like less than half. So the cash offer was right around like $14. So you could have got 14 cash or 30 credit. Like I said, it saves me money in the long run. It saves me cash. So really the credit is actually cash in my eyes. So, all right, I'll see you guys at the next stop. Let's go. All right, the 9th and final stop of the day, right back there, my local Salvation Army. This place is so hit or miss. I have no idea what I'm getting. I can't even speak. It's been such a long day. Anyways, you're not gonna know either because I'm gonna end it here, right? You'll just be left in mystery of how many millions and billions of trillions of dollars I scanned and pulled out of this place. So, as always, I appreciate you watching. You know, just hope you guys appreciate, you know, a little inside look of, you know, what actually goes on in a day in the life of a full-time reseller. It's not just living in thrift stores. It's not just, you know, I don't know, man. I see so many videos out there and it's just like, oh, look, I'm at the thrift store. I only go to the thrift store and I make bank, bro. I make so much money. Like, you gotta do all this other stuff. Like, nobody even talks about it. Nobody even cares to, like, share the work that goes in behind the scenes and all the heavy lifting and all the nasty box recycling and all that stuff. So I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more usable videos. Bye-bye.